So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to play games on YouTube while using the playables. So for that reason, first of all, you need to go with the YouTube application itself, and on the bottom left side, you will see probably this compass icon. So simply tap on the compass icon, and from here you will probably find the playables. The option name is playables. So if you find the option right over here, just simply go and tap on that, and you will get to play mini games like 75 plus mini games there. So for my case, there is no playable option, unfortunately. So which is why I'm showing you a blog that is official by YouTube. As you can see, it has been written that not seeing playables yet. Don't worry, we are widening availability to more users over the upcoming months, so keep checking back. So like that, YouTube has said that the playables is not actually available for all of the country in the world. So it is now in beta version. So some of the YouTube creators or YouTube watchers can actually get these games into their YouTube application, but not all of the users. So, but for the upcoming months, you can get it in no time. So for that time, keep the patience. We don't have anything to do. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like. And if you find this information helpful, leave a like, and we'll catch you next time.